Welcome to the sustainability template demo. This is what the template is essentially going to look like when you log into it. You have the trackers along the top bar as well as projects. You may have to click into the trackers to really see what it's going to look like. We're going to have 3 different sections in this template that are key focus areas: the beginner, intermediate, and advanced section. These are all based on your sustainability knowledge and how much you know about it. Essentially, this whole tool is supposed to be a sustainability knowledge archive, and it's meant to teach and advise on sustainability design principles with the ability to provide end-to-end traceability as you see fit for your company. You can use the template just to learn about sustainability principles, or you can derive product-specific requirements to use in design. This helps you make the right design decisions up front in the design process, and the longer you wait to make these decisions, the more expensive it is to go back and change it. So we really just want to provide sustainability knowledge at the right time before it's too late. So you'll see in here when you log into the template, we have those 3 sections for beginner, intermediate, and advanced, and each of those apply to the sustainability basics for beginner, lifecycle thinking for intermediate, and design for X for advanced. When you click into each of these sections, you'll get a different level of sustainability knowledge based on which one you're clicking into. If you click into sustainability basics, you'll see that this goes from ground zero for sustainability knowledge. It talks about what sustainability is, what it looks like for a company. Also will then walk through material selection at a very high level. When you click into lifecycle thinking, it goes through what lifecycle thinking is and starts to talk about what designing sustainability would look like for a company and explaining what that is as a whole. It's laid out in a way that a discrete manufacturer would understand. So it has manufacturing, distribution, product use, things like that. And under each of those sections, it has a little bit more detail. So if I wanted to see how to reduce my footprint on distribution or manufacturing, I can click into there and then see, for example, for in here, if I'm clicking into this, I can see that material selection is here, and I can jump straight to that portion and see what steps I need to take to start designing with material selection and reducing that footprint in mind. Lastly, the more advanced setting would be design for X, and this goes through all of the sustainability design principles that a company would think about prior to designing their product, and it's laid out in a way that if you know sustainability well and you want to reduce your footprint in assembly or something like that, you can just jump to that section of designing for sustainability in that area. And each of these has 4 different key features to it. You have the how to do it, what it is, why you would want to do it, and then some examples for that. And those options are really going to walk you through those step-by-step details on how to start designing with that in mind. So this is our more advanced setting. Essentially, that is the demo. So thank you for watching. And as you just saw, those are the 3 different levels of the template: the beginner, intermediate, and advanced, very tailorable to what you need and what your knowledge base is on sustainability. This template is not meant to be used as a standalone template, but in conjunction with others. So if you want to use this for traceability, you can pull in specific sustainability requirements into your main template that you usually use. I hope you enjoyed this demo and will find the sustainability template beneficial. We look forward to hearing your thoughts and your feedback.